मु देवस्मिति नंद इच्छापुर अंतर्गत डीएवी मदन मोहन पब्लिक स्कूल नवम श्रेणी छात्री। आज ही विज्ञान मेला रे मते बहुत खुशी लगुच आम टीचर्स माने आम प्रिंसिपल माने तांकर एते बिजी शेड्यूल को एपटे रखी आम पिला मानक पई एई विज्ञान मेला को अरेंज कर पारछंती, एते सुंदर से मैनेज कर पारछंती। सबू रूम को एते सुंदर से सजेई की पिला मान को बुझेई की प्रोजेक्ट को सजाड़ी की एते काम करि पारछंती। तते मते सेइत पे बहुत खुशी लगुच। आउ मु ए विज्ञान मेला रे एसएसटी सब्जेक्ट को चूज करची मो टॉपिक हिसाब रे, जोटा कि मु टॉपिक नेची पॉवर्टी एज ए चैलेंज। सो ता विषय किसी कहबा को गले गुड मॉर्निंग, दिस इज देवस्मिति नंदा ऑफ क्लास 9 representing my topic poverty as a challenge. How would you feel if I tell you that the government without any condition will give you money, say for ₹1000 for free? Not only you, to every citizen of this country will get the free money unconditionally. Some of you might be thinking that this isn't even possible, but let me tell, this is an economic policy which is seriously being concerned in all over the world. Let me tell, in India is a cradle match of human race, where the birthplace of human speech. India is the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, the great grandmother of tradition. And let me tell that in 68.8% of the Indian population are living in $2 each day. I repeat, only $2 per day. वो राम की खिचड़ी भी खाता है, वो रहीम की खीर भी खाता है। वो राम की खिचड़ी भी खाता है, वो रहीम की खीर भी खाता है। वो भूखा है जनाब, उसे मजहब कहाँ पता चलता है, उसे मजहब कहाँ पता चलता है। In poverty is not a natural calamity like earthquake that just happens, but rather it is a result of unfairness and inequalities. Income actually is a public inheritance that everyone should entitled to be, and this will only be possible when the economic policy, so-called UBI, universal basic income, will be implemented not only in India but all over the world. Believe me, the effect of UBI are going to be fascinating. The nutritional level of the families and particularly the children will go up. And we all know that without education, thinking of employment and earning livelihood is just next to impossible. Along with getting education, the people will get shelter, food, clothes, and all those things that are necessary for a bright future. But I have a doubt. What is the need of giving money to the people who are already rich? That is just useless. So, in my opinion, the government should selectively choose the people who need the money. They should give the people the money who actually need it. So, as time is running out, I can tell about this amazing topic. If I will go, the day will go. So, at last, I will tell yes, I agree that the UBI is the best possible way to eradicate poverty. But the youth shouldn't be dependent on anybody for anything. मुसीबत चाहे जो भी हो, मुसीबत चाहे जो भी हो, हर आपदा को अवसर बनाना है। मुसीबत चाहे जो भी हो, हर आपदा को अवसर बनाना है। दिखाकर अपनी रंग इस मातृभूमि पर, इस देश को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है, इस देश को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है। सो विद दिस आई कंक्लूड माय स्पीच। जय हिंद, जय भारत।